Some folks have asked how I rigged up the Hermetic seal sound effect on my helmet. Well, here's how it's done. This is a greeting card sound chip. So you can get these on Amazon. They're about $13, $14. Get the one that has the batteries in it, because some of them are sold without the batteries. And it's like $1 extra for that. So what I've done here is I've affixed the sound chip inside the helmet. The speaker runs back here to the back, which is where the vents are. So you can actually hear the sound effects. And I have taped the trigger here to the side. So when you remove or put your helmet on, you push the button, and if you turn it on, it should play the sound effect. It's not. So I'll play it again so you get a nice clean sound of it if you want to take it from this video. I forgot where I got it from. Anyway, that's how it's done. It's pretty straightforward. And it just adds a little bit more realism to the helmet.